So over here, you can see that I have these images right here. Like I got two images with red eyes which was there as a result of a camera flash. So if you want to go ahead and then remove it, you can easily do that in Affinity as well. So for that, you need to go around over here onto the Pixel tab, and then around over here onto the left hand side, you can see that as I hold the inpainting brush tool, you can see that red eye removal tool is an option. So right now you can see that it has been enabled. The red eye tool is enabled now. And then I'm simply going to go towards the baby right here, the baby layer. And if I were to go ahead and click, then simply you can see that as I click it, the red eye gets removed. And now you can see that the eyes are in normal color. If I were to go around over here onto this layer now, you can see that this picture has the same problem. All you need to do is just click on the eye right here, and that is what you have, as you can see. And that is basically how you can go ahead and then remove the red eye easily by using the red eye removal tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.